Hello everyone, this is Engineer Salasi from Halo Academy and Brain Boosters, and today we are going to discuss about working and non-working static pile load test. And we have also real scenario. We record a video from the technicians, and we're gonna discuss about everything you need to know about static load test. And let's get into it. Thank you. Okay, today my name is Mr. Salase. I'm from National Engineering Bureau. I am with my friend, so we will discuss about static load case, and he's the expert, so he's going to explain to us. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad and I am from Al Hay Al Muqaddam for geotechnical engineering works. And
Nice to meet you.
Today I will explain about the static load test. This is
Okay.
we are putting block above the piles and the also beam. Then this is a 750 dia pile, okay? This one 750, and here is a pump for giving load, and a jack and 4 gauges. You watch 4 gauges, everyone.
Okay, these are the gauges.
And this pump.
This
This
is
is
a
analog pump and electric pump, okay? Pump, and it's going 100% load.
Okay, can you explain now?
Also, you should saw them the load chart. How we do according to the load chart, okay? What is the load procedure? Load procedure. This one is load procedure. As per this, we do this test, okay?
Okay.
And it can be various, depends on consultant. 6.4, and we are doing as bar, okay, not in
Yeah.
ton.
Okay.
We are doing as bar. Let's check for like this. The test setup is like this, okay,
Okay.
like this, and we put 109 blocks above. So what's above?
Okay.
Yeah, like
Okay. So every 1 hour you're gonna check this.
yeah, but this is various this load, because at first we are giving 25% load, then 50, then 75, and then 100%. Then we'll release again. Release, then we'll give load again for the second cycle. It's done by 2 cycle, okay? First cycle 25% we are giving, and how many load? 25% we are giving 66.1 bar, okay? And now it's 100%, 64.2.2, 64.3, okay? This one.
Okay. So the settlement you are going to check every hour.
Yeah, and, but at first we have to check 5 minutes for every 5 minutes. Then when it will come full load, I mean 100% load and 150 load, will stay for 6 hours. How many settlement comes for 6 hours? Then we will release again for 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Then 0% is for 1 hour. Then we'll get a settlement, because when the pile go down, and it will come up when we will release the load, but it will not come up when first time it was, where it will come not there, because we will get a little settlement of this pile.
No.
Look at this pile, 750 dia. It's going down. Show the jack. It was level, okay? It was, but now it is come up and pile go down. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the procedure of test, and
So
it's very
the diameter is 75.
yeah 75.
What is our allowable settlement?
Allowable settlement 1% of the diameter. It's mean in working load it should not go more than 7.5 mm, and in test load it can go up to 10 mm, no problem. But we should pile should not go more than 7.5 in also test. It's good, because no pile goes like that. Every piles maximum 4.5 and maximum 6, not more than 6. Okay.
So what is this called?
No, don't touch this.
Oh, sorry. What is this called?
It's called beam. For the
Reference beam,
measurement, yeah, for the measurement, you know, because for set the gauge, then we'll get settlement.
Okay.
It will not move.
Yeah,
Only
it
the
will not move, yeah.
pile will move. Okay. It will stay like this.
Okay.
So we'll get the settlement.
So.
And you, on the test, you can touch this one, this one, this one, this one.
Yeah.
It's mean if you touch, the gauge will
Yeah.
move automatically.
Yeah.
That's why don't touch this beam.
Okay. So this is a good experience.
Yeah, you can show the whole side of this test
Okay.
from outside. Set up like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. So one block is how weight is it?
2.5 ton. One total 109 blocks is
Okay.
blocks are here and beam and also a beam.
Yeah.
Like setup is like this.
Okay. So.
There is two type
Yeah.
of test. One is block and another is count. You can show the next video count test. Okay, this is block test.
Yeah.
Two type of statics.
Anchor test or?
Yeah, anchor, crown.
Yeah.
Crown and this is block.
But we have anchor here.
No, we don't have anchor here. You can show on another
sure.
video.
Yeah. We have another video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
We will make another video on
video,
the anchor
Anchor.
type of statics. Okay. Thank you.